Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, I'll be going over version 3 of TrustTransport. So TrustTransport is available in version 2 of the app right now. So if you go to app.chargingthefuture.com and then on the left navigation, you can go to TrustTransport. Now, TrustTransport between version 2 and version 3, which is on the left-hand side, there are some new exciting features. And on the left-hand side, this is just the mock-up. The app is about 50%, version 3 of the upgrade is about 50% done, so there's still a lot more work that needs to be completed. But I want to do this video so you can kind of an update of what's coming up in terms of changes. So if you go to this link, you can actually click through the screens at your own pace. And in the bottom left-hand corner, if you click that little button there, if you're interested in any other of the features, that allows you to jump through the different sections meaning different features. And again, today we're just going to go over TrustTransport to keep the video short. I do have a video, and it's almost an hour long, that goes over all the features, just an overview. You're more than welcome to do that, watch it. And this is just a way of doing a shorter video of if you're just interested in TrustTransport, you can just quickly get an overview of that. So on the right, we have the existing application, and it's pretty, a big change is the user design. TrustTransport right now is a pretty simple thing where you create a request, and then someone can come in here and look at the different requests and reach out to you if they can provide you transportation. Very simple. Now, with the app upgrade, which is on the left-hand side, if you're not signed in, this is what it's going to look like. The biggest change with TrustTransport is that now you can facilitate package and food delivery within the application. So TrustTransport is basically like the Uber for targeted individuals. And so the next screen shows what it looks like if you are logged in. You can basically book a ride, schedule for a package delivery or food delivery. And, the reason why TrustTransport exists, we are all familiar as a targeted individual. Transportation is something that gets targeted because the whole goal is to remove your autonomy, make you dependent on the human trafficking network. And so now you can get a ride from another targeted individual. So a sign-up free ride. Right now, if you use a ride-sharing app, more than likely the driver is going to be part of the human trafficking network. And you're basically spending your hard-earned money and feeding their global economy of exploitation. With the TI skills economy, a lot of targeted individuals are unemployed because of targeting, and now you can take that money and create a circular economy amongst each other to keep us employed and keep us moving and allow us to have autonomy. And then, with introducing package delivery, that's important because our mail is constantly being tampered with. And so this provides a more reliable way to receive the goods that you need. And then food, we also already know that they tamper with our food to make us sick, impact, again, delivery in some type of aspect. And so this is a way to mitigate those things, minimize the impact or the disruption. Obviously not 100% foolproof because we still rely on the existing economy for a lot of services, but this is a way to minimize interaction with perps. It's pretty straightforward. I don't think there's anything more to add to this. And this is what the screen looks like if there are no trips or deliveries yet. And this is just a screen that shows you, as the page is loading, this is what it's going to look like. And so that's TrustTransport. Across the app, one of the changes between what exists now and what's going to be implemented is that now everything will be available in an Android app. So this shows you what the screen looks like if you're not signed in on mobile, what the screen looks like if you are signed in on mobile, another screen as well, what it looks like when you're signed on mobile, and the loading screen. And so that's the gist of it. If you have any feedback, please let me know. Thanks for joining.